Good evening. It's such a pleasure to be here tonight. Kevin and Marina, board members, thank you. This is truly inspiring. Every once in a while, you meet someone off the court, because I spend a lot of time around basketball, but you meet someone off the court who still knows how to play the game at the highest level. When I met Kristyn for the first time, I was actually in my previous role at Deloitte, so a shout out to Table 9, my Deloitte colleagues are here. And we were at the headquarters of State Farm in Bloomington. My first time there, hadn't even started as the commissioner yet of the WNBA, and she struck me right away, not just as a former collegiate athlete at Syracuse, saw those pictures of her back in the day, which earns her immediate credit in my book, but as someone who leads with authenticity, intuition, and creativity. Kristyn has been one of the greatest drivers of change in how brands approach marketing and storytelling, and obviously one of the most recognized brands here in the United States. From Chris Paul to Cliff Paul, from SZA to Sabrina Ionescu, from Jake's Khakis to Juju Watkins, and most recently with Caitlin Clark's Life on the Logo, which has literally gone viral, Kristyn has helped transform State Farm into far more than just a brand. It's become a cultural phenomenon. At the WNBA, it's been a pleasure to work alongside Kristyn and her incredible team. And what stands out isn't just her brilliance as a marketer, it's her generosity, her collaborative spirit, and the way she shows up with purpose and heart. Kristyn leads with authenticity and storytelling around our athletes to grow our brands together. It's great that her husband Daniel is here tonight and so many of her colleagues from State Farm. She's a creative force, a strategic powerhouse, and if we're all being honest, the reason we all wish Jake from State Farm worked in our office. It's my honor to present the Choose Creativity Award for Inspired Leadership to my friend, the brilliant and unmatched Kristyn Cook.
Well, hello, everyone. It is certainly a pleasure to be here with all of you at such a beautiful evening supporting this incredible organization. I also want to thank all the other honorees, too. I'm very humbled to be here with you as well. Certainly, many of us in this room have perhaps worked with EDO in the future, but currently. But I remember when I got reached out to and got the call from Marina and Kevin about this incredible honor. And then we sat down and we told the story. And for me, it just was a moment I'll never forget, and it completely moved me. And the strength and resilience is incredible. It's an honor to play a small role in contributing to this incredible Choose organization, and I'm thrilled to be here. I want to thank the Crims and everyone who's part of this work and who advocate for art and expression and empower people from all ages to use creativity as a tool for resilience and strength. And thank you, Cathy, too, certainly for your kindness in being here. You and what you do, you lift people up, you lift women up, and we're glad to be a part of that. So tonight, what I thought I would do, I felt like it was fitting to express gratitude for something that isn't a person, it's not a place, but a force that has shaped all of us, including me, and that is creativity. You've been with me every step of the way, in the good times, the challenging times, on walks, in the shower. I know, right? Sometimes the creativity comes there. Growing up, you saw my parents. They're very much a part of who I am. I grew up in a small town, Washington, Pennsylvania, right outside of Pittsburgh, and creativity was my escape. It was my playground. It was my teacher. With the support of my wonderful family, you became my quiet superpower to see the world through the lens of what it could be, and unleashed a determination to chase my dreams. And those dreams led to Syracuse University, a very much a defining moment for me, not far from here. And creativity, you showed up for me on the court, off the court, as a student athlete, in a way that I challenged myself and I learned what it meant to be a really good teammate, as well as to boldly shoot my shot, and something that I know is just part of my DNA today and what I am blessed to do. And all of this made me who I am today, and I'm very proud to say I am the first female and minority Chief Agency Sales and Marketing Officer for State Farm. Thank you. In my career, creativity, you've been my edge. You've helped me navigate change, problem solve, and bring ideas to life in a unique way. And when you work for a purpose-driven company like State Farm, creativity always compels us to ask the question, how can we make a difference? How can we serve people better? How can we make an impact? That's who we are, and that's what we stand for, and what we get to do. We help people recover from unexpected and to realize their dreams. And protection and risk is the business that we're in. And oftentimes it's hard to understand that, but what we do does take courage and creativity. And so creativity challenges us every day. I have my wonderful team here as well. Some of my marketing leaders are here, and also some of our leaders that lead our incredible agency force. And together, we get to bring to life, like a good neighbor, State Farm is there. And we get to, yes, we get to story tell with emotion, humanity, and also humor to both get attention and to earn trust. And most importantly, I'm not up here for me, I'm up here for them. They make me who I am, they inspire me daily, and I see so many partners in here that have been really passionate in your pursuit of helping us in this brand do what we get to do to change people's lives and to tell stories about it too. So I'm very grateful for all of you. And so finally, I want to wrap by saying thank you, creativity, for being more than just a skill, for being a mindset, for helping all of us to dream, to achieve, to think about what's possible. I also want to thank you for intersecting my life with this great organization that chooses creativity and supports a mission that we can all feel like we're a part of something bigger than ourselves. So thank you all very much.